Hey guys, hello. In this video I'm going to show you how we can solve the problem of this overlapping shape layer. So if you feel that when you're working in ArcGIS or QGIS, your shapefile is a bit overlapping on other shapefiles and it is going like in other states and districts. So like this, if you can see, this is the shape of Delhi and it is going in towards Uttar Pradesh and it's going in Noida. So I will be just adjusting its boundaries and doing it along the boundary line of just which is given in the Google map. Or if you are working on any other districts also, you can use some email files which is available on any DM website, for which I will provide the link in the description box. So here I'll be aligning my shapefile along with the boundary line. So let's do it. Firstly, what we have to do is to select this daily layer. Here is the email file. There is a file inside it, and then we have to right click on it and then click the property. So with the help of property, we can see the points, the points which are there on which, the points which are connecting our shapefile, they are visible. And now if they are visible, we can edit them and we can adjust them according to our requirements. It is going all the way over, somewhere it is overlapping, somewhere it is going beyond this reference line. So we will be aligning this now. But we can say that undershoot of overshoot. So let's do it. So now when you observe that you are done with all of the minute disturbances which were there in this layer, then you just come here on this dialog box and then just, if you want to change names or some other color styles or something like this, you can change from here. If you want to change the color of line from here, so you can do the yellow or something if you want, and you can change width and opacity of this line. You can make it totally opaque or change it to transparent or like this, and then we can add various parameters on here. So after making these changes, just click OK and then click here and then Ctrl+S, that is, which is save, which will save here. And then remember that saving is very important, because if you don't save it, these the changes you made will go in vain. It is very important to save every work you are working you have done in any kind of software, whether it be ArcGIS, QGIS, or here in Google Earth. So, and that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you like it.